Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. So the question is given: if z minus 4 by z square minus 5z plus 1 plus 2z minus 4 by 2z square minus 5z plus 1 plus z minus 2 by z square minus 3z plus 1 is equal to 3 by z, then find the value of mod 1 by z square minus 5z plus 1 plus 1 by 2z square minus 5z plus 1 plus 1 by z square minus 3z plus 1. So here some logic is there, that's why this problem is selected. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you, Amma. So here, what is the logic? So first of all, what is given? Z minus 4 by z square minus 5z plus 1 plus 2z minus 4 by 2z square minus 5z plus 1 plus z minus 2 by z square minus 3z plus 1 is equal to 3 by z. So here, if you want to remove this z in the denominator, so multiply z on both sides. Multiply z on both sides. So here what will get? Z into z minus 4 by z square minus 5z plus 1 z into 2z minus 4 by 2z square minus 5z plus 1 z into z minus 2 by z square minus 3z plus 1 is equal to 3 by z into z. Multiplying z on both sides. Okay, what will get now? Here z square minus 4 z by z square minus 5z plus 1 2z square minus 4z by 2z square minus 5z plus 1 plus z square minus 2z by z square minus 3z plus 1 is equal to 3. Z cancel out. Now here the logic lies. Here we will do some adjustment. Z square minus 5z plus 1 plus z minus 1. The numerator will like this, z square minus 5z plus 1. So 1 cancel, 5z minus z will get 4z only. So that adjustment you are doing like this. This is the logic, this is the main step here. Now 2z square minus 5z plus 1 plus z minus 1 by 2z square minus 5z plus 1 plus z square minus 3z plus 1 plus z minus 1 by z square minus 3z plus 1 is equal to 3. Now here numerator we are having denominator same. So you can write here 1 plus z minus 1 by z square minus 5z plus 1. Here 1 plus z minus 1 by 2z square minus 5z plus 1. 1 plus z minus 1 by z square minus 3z plus 1 is equal to 3. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1 will get 3. So z minus 1 by z square minus 5z plus 1, z minus 1 by 2z square minus 5z plus 1, z minus 1 by z square minus 3z plus 1 is equal to 0. 3 minus 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 minus 3 will get 0. Now taking z minus 1 common, in all the three are taking z minus 1 common, 1 by z square minus 5z plus 1 plus 1 by 2z square minus 5z plus 1 plus 1 by z square minus 3z plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here z minus 1 equal to 0 or the total term, second term, total term is equal to 0. Now replace z plus 1 when z is equal to 1, you keep in second term what will get 1 by 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 1, 1 by 2 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 1, 1 by 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1. So here you'll get 1 by 1 minus 5 plus 1, 1 by 2 minus 5 plus 1, 1 by 1 minus 3 plus 1. Mod is given. So 1 by minus 3, 1 by minus 2, 1 by minus 1. Mod is given. If you take LCM 6 LCM minus 2 minus 3 minus 6. So here you'll get minus 11 by 6. So what is required answer is 11 by 6. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.